Hi, Lowell friends, this is Mrs. Radway. Now that we're spending a lot more time online doing our learning, I wanted to make sure that we reviewed how to stay safe when we're online. So here I have our lesson for today called Safety in My Online Neighborhood. The big question that we want answered by the end of our lesson today is how do you go places safely online? At the end of our lesson, you will have 3 rules that you should follow when you're online. To begin, what do you need to do to stay safe when you visit new places? Go ahead and pause the video here and talk about it with somebody at home. Welcome back. Maybe when you were talking, you said that you should go places with an adult. Or maybe you said that you shouldn't just wander around by yourself. Maybe you said that you should only talk to people you know and not strangers. Well, today we're going to talk about how visiting places on the internet is a lot like visiting places in real life. Just like there are rules to keep safe when you visit new places in the world, there are ways to keep yourself safe online. Anytime that I refer to the word online, I mean when you are using a computer or a phone or a tablet to visit a website or an app. Let's watch this short video. This character, his name is Arms, and he's going to talk about what he does on the internet. At the end, I'm going to ask you these 2 questions. What did Arms like about the internet? And what kinds of things can Arms do on the internet? As you listen for the answers to those 2 questions.
Hi, I am 7 years old. I love playing on my mom's computer, but I always get permission first. Mom, can I go on the computer?
Sure, sweetie.
I love my mom's computer because I can go on the internet. The internet is kind of like your neighborhood. You can visit cool places. You can talk to family and friends. And you can learn lots of new things. Like yesterday, I visited a zoo that's near my house. I saw a baby zebra. I took her picture and changed the color of her stripes. Then added a hat and added it to my collection of wacky animals. Awesome! Then later, I went to a place far, far away. I visited Kenya. That's a country in Africa. Lots of zebras live there. Wow, that's a lot of zebras. Sometimes on the internet, I talk to people I know. Like my grandma, who lives in another state. Hi, Grandma. She's making me cookies that she'll send me for my birthday. Yummy, I wish the internet had Smellorama. I can talk to different people on the internet, like my cousin. But I only talk to people I know. But what I like most on the internet is that I get to play fun games. Score! I also like to draw and create new things and share it with my friends. Cool! Sometimes I visit websites where I learn new things, but I always stick to websites that are just right for me. Wow, dinosaurs! The internet is a super fun place. But just like when you cross the street in your neighborhood, you also have to be careful when you go online. Here are 3 rules to remember. Rule number 1, always ask your parents first. Rule number 2, only talk to people you know. Rule number 3, stick to places that are just right for you. Wow, that was fun.
Dinner time.
I'm logging off now. I can't wait to get back on again to see where I can visit next. Bye-bye.
Can't seem to get back to my questions. Here we go. So the two questions I wanted to ask you, what did ARMS like about the internet? And what kinds of things did ARMS do on the internet? Go ahead and pause the video again here and talk about these two questions. Welcome back. You might have talked about that he likes to visit cool places and he can talk with his friends and families online. He also learned some new things by going to different websites, and he created things and shared them with his friends. Do you remember the 3 rules that ARMS followed when he was going places online? They were, number 1, always ask your parent or teacher first. Number 2, only talk to people you know. And number 3, stick to places that are just right for you. And when we mean just right, it means making sure that a site or an app is appropriate for kids. And that you've asked for permission to be there. I have a poem to help us remember how to stay safe online. This poem is called a call and response poem. That means I'm going to say a line, and then I want you to repeat it. I'll try and whisper it so that you know when it's your part. Our poem is called Safety, It Rules, and it's written by Jenny Pritchett. So remember, I'm going to say a line, and then you're going to repeat it. It goes like this. We need to be safe. We need to be safe. Whenever we're online. Whenever we're online. So we follow these rules. So we follow these rules. To have a good time. To have a good time. Now hold up your fingers and show the number 1. And then you'll repeat after me. Always ask your parents first. Always ask your parents first. Now hold up 2 fingers to show the number 2. Only talk to people you know. Only talk to people you know. Hold up 3 fingers to show the number 3. Stick to sites just right for you. Stick to sites just right for you. And we'll be safe wherever we go. And we'll be safe wherever we go. Remember to practice these 3 rules to stay safe online. Perhaps today your grown-ups might give you permission to go to a reading app like Pebble Go or Capstone Interactive. Remember that both of those reading apps are in ClassLink. If you're having any troubles logging into ClassLink, please reach out and we would be happy to help you. Stay safe, and until next time, bye-bye.